How to fish in Kingshot. I'm going to tell you how to fish in Kingshot. Fishing opens up automatically every 3 hours. You just drag your finger downward to sink the hook as deep as possible. Careful to avoid obstacles or the hook will bounce back early. Each session earns fishing points that you can spend to upgrade gear up to level 10, which improves depth and scoring. You'll also unlock items like reel stabilizers to absorb shocks, lanterns to see past 300 meters, and ocean scanners to detect rare fish. Once you hit gear level 10, you can enter the Daily Frost Prospect, a special fishing zone with maxed out equipment and better rewards. Those points also complete fishing missions for XP, speed ups, and chests, and after maxing out, spend points to enter Sunken Treasure Hunt. 1,500 points gives you a shot at premium prizes.